Today, welcome to another Thomas Dragons video. And today, we are going to play Exploding Kittens. So, let's get started. So, Weston's playing right now.
So first, give me a favor, Weston. A favor? Please give me the tap. This? Yes. Yes, I got a favor for a favor.
Actually, that's just useless. Weston, get a car.
Give me a favor, please. No, give me a tap, please. Give me it. Nope. Weston. Oh.
A catermelon? That's useless, bro.
Okay, so Weston, now your turn. What you gonna do?
Let's look at Jax's cards.
I'm gonna do say the future.
See the future. Good
Nope.
choice.
Okay, the future's looking good. I'm just gonna take.
Actually, they're bad cards. Bro, you idiot.
So now, my turn again. Give me a favor. I don't have a favor. No, give me this. That's not a favor. Yes, he has a pink card. See the future.
No, Jax is gonna see the future. Let's look at Weston.
Kitten.
Weston has an exploding
The
kitten.
future is looking
Weston-
so good.
Weston has an exploding kitten, and he doesn't have a defuse.
I won. No.
So Jax won.
Let's do that again. That was so cool.
Okay, let's repeat it.
Now we gotta.
Let's just. Okay. Now we just gotta wait for these guys to
I
go.
need to